Okay, in this section I'm going to talk to you about how to install Audacity. Audacity is free audio software. It's available for multiple platforms, for Mac, for Linux, and also for Windows. I'm going to do this on Windows, as that's, I suppose, what most people are probably using, although it's, again, same kind of system for Mac, and again, if you're using Linux, I'm sure you know how to install some software. So Audacity is free. There are other packages that are paid for that you can use if you prefer, things like Adobe Audition, which is part of the Creative Cloud suite, Apple's Logic, Pro Tools. There's lots of packages out there, but if you just go to a search engine and you search for Audacity, Audacity, it's probably going to be the first one, but you want to get audacityteam.org. That's the one that you want. There's a whole load of stuff available here as well. You could just download it, but I'm just going to go to the download section. As you see, Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm going to download the Windows version. There's another library that we're going to need as well, which I'll show you in a moment. You're better off going with the direct installer. So either a 64-bit installer or a 32-bit installer. Chances are it's going to be 64-bit. The reason is that you can download this one instead, but it comes with other software that you probably don't need. So you just download this one. I'm not interested in, I don't want any of that stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to Audacity. And if I go to my, excuse me, if I open my downloads, I should see, there it is, Audacity 3.7. Yes, I will allow this to make changes. Okay, English. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm not going to launch it yet, okay, because there's one other thing that I want to install as well. If I go to downloads, and you'll see there's this FFmpeg library. So what this is, it's a licensing thing. It's so that Audacity can handle lots of audio formats, MP3 and a whole variety of other different ones. It's just a licensing thing that it can't be bundled with it by default, so you have to download it separately. Okay, so if you just click on the link, and then I'm going to download this one here, FFmpeg 5 for Windows, 64-bit, because I'm on 64-bit. If you're 32-bit, download the 32-bit version. If you don't know, you're probably on 64-bit unless your machine is really old. Open file. Okay, click on the FFmpeg installer. Yes, I'm happy to allow this to make changes to my computer. I accept the agreement. Install, next, blah, blah, blah. And finish. Great. Now that is done. Okay, so now we have Audacity installed, and if it's installed, I should be able to click on this icon here, and hopefully it should open up. Yep, so that's Audacity installed. We'll do a little exploration of Audacity next.